Good morning, parents. Today we are doing June 9th, ELA, Social Emotional. You're going to continue making the book. Today you're going to complete the book, create a title, add names of all the authors and illustrators and art for the front cover. If possible, video yourself and your child reading the book together and send it to me. That's for ELA. You're going to finish your book and make the front cover. For math, for dinner time, at dinner time, you're going to set the table together, count out the number of plates needed, intentionally provide not enough forks or too many cups. Use math to solve the problems together. So when you set up the dinner table, you're going to provide more plates or more cups or spoons and ask the child is, you know, ask the child if it's too much or too less and how many should be there. For science and social study, healthy food, you're going to collect snacks with your child, sort them into healthy and not as healthy. Together, decide how often and when to eat the different types of snacks. So for healthy food, you're going to take healthy snacks and not so healthy snacks, and you're going to sort them out, separate them to ask your child what's healthy and what's not healthy, and this decide how often we should eat healthy and non-healthy food. And for physical education, you're going to do head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Sing and do the movement together a few times at a different speed, then change the words. You can. I'm going to send you a YouTube link to head, shoulders, knees, and toes, just in case you don't know the song. In the email, I will send you a link for a YouTube video for the child to do the activity, head, shoulders, knees, and toes. And that's all the activities for today. And here it goes in Spanish. And that will be it.